Good morning, dear children. How all are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, as we know, we have completed now our PT1 examination. I hope you all have done well. You practiced hard for the examination. As you know, students, now again we are going to back our study, and here we will continue with our chapter number 5, frictions. As you know, we have done chapter 1, 2 and 4. Now we will continue with the chapter number 5, fractions. Students, fractions, you are very familiar with the fractions because this topic you have learned in your previous class also. Here students, first we will introduce what is the fractions, types of the fractions, equivalent fractions, additions, subtractions, etc. Here students, I will explain fractions in detail. So students, let's start. Now students, as you know, fractions is a part of whole. Whole means you know complete figure. Part means any part of the given figure. Here students, you can see this is the triangle. Triangle is given and here 1, 2, 3, 4 part they have done. Here you can see student one part. Out of 4 only one part is shaded. So students, here you can say 1/4 because total part is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say this complete figure is divided into 4 parts and here only one part is colored. So students, here you can write 1/4. So this is the fraction of the shaded part and this is the fraction. Here 4 part is total part and 1 is only the shaded part. So here student, like this we can say fraction is a part of whole. Here also students, you can see this is the given figure. Here they have divided this given figure into 1, 2, 3 triangle, and here if we are talking about only the shaded part, so here two parts are shaded. So what is the fraction of the shaded part? Shaded part fractions will be upside 2 will come and downside total part 1, 2 and 3. Total part means 3 will come. Like this students, you can write down the fractions. Now students, what you can write according to definitions, fractions is a part of whole. Here students, you can see so many examples like 4/5, 3/5, 6/11, 8/11, all are given in the fractional form. Here students, fraction is a part of whole and the given example is 2/4. And you can write so many other example like 1/5, 7/2, etc. Here student, this 1/5 I am taking, this is the fraction. Now student, here this 1 upside, it is known as the numerator and numerator I am denoting with the capital N. This 5 downside, this is known as the denominator. So upside part known as the numerator and downside will be the denominator. Okay students. Now students, as you can see, two figures are given and here we are to write down the fractions of the shaded part. Students, as you know, fractions we will write in P/Q form, means in the numerator and the denominator form. Here student, as you know, downside means in the denominator part total number of parts will come. So here we will count total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total given part is 8 and out of 8, as you can see, only two parts are shaded. So here upside what will come? 2 will come. So here student, what is the fraction of the shaded part? 2/8. And if you want to convert this 2/8 into simplest form, you can write this 1/4 because in 2's table 8 is coming 4 times. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So 1/4 will be your answer. Similarly students, this question also you can do. Here again we will count total number of part of the given figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 will come downside. Now the shaded part, as you can see, shaded part is only 1, so 1 will come upside. Here students, you can see now 1 upon 4 is the shaded of the 1 upon 4 is the fraction of the shaded part here, and here also 2 upon 8, or you can write 1 upon 4 is the fraction of the given shaded part. So like this student, and now I think it's clear what is the fraction. Students, now you can write given number name in the fractions. For this I am taking one example. Now students, as you can see, our question number 1 is write as fractions. Here you can see in question number 1 and 2, 4 9s and 7 11s. Number names are given in word form and you are to write down in the number form or fractions form. So here student, 4 9s means 4 means upside 4 will come and 9s means downside 9 will come. Easy students. Now in the next 7 11s means 7 is the fractional part and 11s means total part. So 7 upon 11 will come. So like this students, when numbered names are given, you can write easily fractions of the given number names. Okay students, now today we have done only introduction of the fractions. Now students, I am giving you some questions. One pic I am sending you of the question. In this you will write down number name in the fractions form and the given figure you will find out what is the part of the you will find shaded part of the fraction of the shaded part in given figure. Tomorrow students, we will continue with the new questions and with the new contents and with the types of fractions. Okay students.